Here it is. Beyond Manufacturing's sheet feed option for the Versa UV series printers. And here he is, Joe Gamsky of Beyond Manufacturing, LLC. How you doing, Joe?
Fine.
Today's August 25th. We're taking a look at the prototype of your new product. Give us a quick overview, and let's do a quick run-through.
Oh, put the sheets in back here. Sheets slide in. There will be some guides on the sides to keep it in a perfect position.
Great.
We're using pneumatics and we're using electronics and a PLC to control everything. Dave?
May I lift the cover so we can get a first-hand view? Thank you.
Right now the suction's going down. It's picking up the sheet with all suction. The front suction is now turning off and returning to home position. The rear suction stays on, keeps the sheet moving. The machine then comes down again. The rear suction turns off. The front turns on and gently feeds the sheet into the roll-in. The sheet then comes into the roll-in and we have an automated pinch roller lever that comes down internally. The sheet will now set up. The sheet will now set up as normal. Head will come out. Sheet will get read by the sensor on the front of the roll-in.
I notice we have no pinch roller lever, so that whole duty is mechanized at this point.
It's all automated. Sheet will now come out, set up in the same position, same X position that roll-in does. We take care of Y position. We take care of X. Now we're sending a job, and we're printing.
Excellent. Let's delve into this a little further with your right-hand man, Dave. Dave, explain the inner workings of what's going on here, just a little bit for us laymen.
Well, we start with air system. We have pneumatic actuators. They lower down, the suction goes on, picks up the sheet. And then the PLC just controls the actuation of the sheet and feeds it into the machine.
Very good. And I see we have a bit of a tray here so we can accommodate obviously a certain amount of volume. And the alignment, how's that done again? So we don't...
We have guides that aren't in at the moment, but they go in here to line it up to match where the pinch rollers are. We actually have some shut-off valves here so that if you're having a narrower piece of sheet in, you can turn off each of the suckers individually so it'll only pick up with the width of your actual stock.
So Joe, this is obviously a prototype. What's coming on board this next? This is a work in progress. What's next, and what are some of the other features we're going to see on this that we don't see today?
We're going to have a more simplistic feeding mechanism that would run with one piston.
Mm-hmm.
We're also going to have a little bit better, the machine's going to be a little bit shorter.
So cosmetically, it's going to butt up right against the machine, right?
Correct. And the other thing that the machine does that we had to allow for is the white ink and the gloss ink plus CMYK. So there's going to be multiple passes. So what happens is when the job is finally done,
right,
it does a sheet cut, which it's doing right now. The software drives the sheet cut. When it comes down and hits a sensor, the sensor automatically raises the pinch rollers, and the sheet will be dropping into a tray, which we're in the process of building right now.
Great. Well, Joe, all of us at Roland want to thank you for this quick introduction, and we're looking forward to great things from you, as usual.
Thank you, Joe.